Alright, today we're going to show you kinetic sand with this knife. It's not sharp. Look, you can see. I won't cut off my finger. And we're going to see how satisfying it is. Ready, set, go. So, you can see the reef is big. They want it like, I have it like in a blob. And then you cut through it. You don't have to go like that, like a normal knife. You can just cut normally. This. That. And when you have this, you cut like this. I didn't make doing the blender video. See what it does. And we put it all up. Okay, it's good. Then you can go in the blender. So you have your blender. Then you put some pieces in. No one is doing back there, but
What? I'm not sure how you go, but I don't think.
I don't know why. It's like that's it's not going. So should we make a fallen turd? Right? Yeah. Should we make a fallen turd? I'm gonna make a fallen turd. Daddy, I'm gonna make a fallen turd. No, is it kind of funny? I'm making turds and I said Daddy. Because it's my grandpa. I don't think. That's the tell me whatever the top comment and I pick, I will do that. But it can be like going on further and doing like this. I can do that. If you want to do that. Okay. And you can do what I can do in the pool. But that can only be in the summer. And I won't do it if it's like not in season, but I will try to do it when I have time. And now I'm gonna have a lot of sand, like a lot of sand. And then put it all in this. Then if you want to, I just like doing this. Putting this red thingy in there. And then that's good. We have to do two turds. We only do two. Three. I still want to make scores because I like to. What like that? Try like that. This. My just fell. I got it. So I start putting. Okay, we don't want that. fish family. Like that. Like I do turn salmon. And if when you get your turn, I just stack it just like that. It's like turd. Get it. Oh, my foot fell. And that's how you make some canoe sand. Boom, that's a subscribe. I'm gonna get a joke. Looking for a snake. Wait, look who snake is. Is that funny? Coming up. Okay, if you're watching, tell me if you laugh. But